You deserve what you tolerate. I don't agree with this statement. Nobody deserves to be abused, mistreated, and disrespected. Pag pinili mong magstay sa isang abusive relationship, hindi ka tanga. Ikaw ay biktima. Nabiktima ka ng isang narcissist. Namanipula ka at nagaslight ka. Ikaw ang niloko pero pinagmumukhang ikaw pa ang masama. Alam mo naman na binigay mo lahat sa relationship pero ipaparamdam sa'yo na kulang ka. Pag kinonfront mo sila tungkol sa kasalanan nila, sasabihin na OA ka lang, mas malala naman sitwasyon ng iba. Binabaliktad nila ang realidad para matrap ka nila at hindi mo kasalanan yun. Your kind and genuine heart was taken advantage of and you don't deserve what you tolerate. Paano mo ba matatakasan ng isang narcissist na partner? Hindi ko sasabihin na you should choose yourself, you should love yourself first, or you should know your worth kasi alam kong alam mo na yon. Nakadepende talaga sa sitwasyon, especially if may bata na involved. My advice to you is to let the ship